Real, we're real, that's how the channel is. Alright, there we go. So there it is. A new item, picked it up today, and I'm planning a video in the future. This is going to be in it when I'm going to go out and do videos with the Harbor Freight axe I mentioned. This is the saw we're going to use. So I'm also going to be doing a review for it. This was not a sponsor. I purchased with my own money. I wanted to give it a try. There's a lot of saws out there like this that are quite expensive, some that are cheap. This was $36. So it's going to be an unboxing and seeing what it comes with, what it looks like, and my thoughts. This is the Swisstech Andern. I may have said that wrong. It's a folding bow saw. I may have said that wrong. If I did, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. So this is the packaging. This is the packaging. Nice packaging. Let's see. You can come in more. I'll switch to the other one in a moment. So. Oh, it's not that heavy. I thought it was going to be heavier than that. I like the packaging. I like a lot of their products, so. Okay, it feels all metal. This feels like aluminum. This probably says, I didn't look. I will. This is not aluminum. Okay, there's instructions for this. Probably, but I like trying to figure stuff out before I just jump into. That takes some of the fun away for me. Okay. Alright, there we go. So there it is.
Beautiful.
Here's what it looks like. So here's what it is. This is really a lot. Like way lighter than I thought it was. The axe I use, the saw I use now, that y'all will see at the start. Well, you've seen it in my other videos. That's my main one I always carry. It's a Corona something. I don't remember the model number. I've had it for years. This is a lot lighter than it. I can already tell this is a whole lot lighter than it. See how it feels. I ain't got nothing to practice with right now to see what it feels like. This was mainly just an unboxing and a quick just show you what I'm got here. So I'm going to back up. For anybody that wants to know, I'm going to back up and I'm going to show how to put this together for people that need to know. And if you don't want to, you want to figure out on your own like I did, you just pause the video and... Okay, so what you do is you pull this out. You bring this all the way down until as far as it will go. And it touches right here. You can't go no further. Okay, then you pull your blade out. Flip your blade out, I mean. You grab this and push down like a hinge. And it'll go so far, then it stops. Okay, then right here. Okay. Then you bring this, and you want to line this up. Put this inside of here, it's going to be loose. Okay, then you bring this back, your red thing, and you're going to tighten it up with this. So get this on there, come back. Close that up into there.
And there you go.
I know I look janky. I took my time. I can make it look professional. This is real. We're real. This is how the channel is. So, there it is. This is going to be a full review on this when we go out and do our axe video. Showing the Harbor Freight axe. We're going to gather fat wood. I want y'all to build a fire. We might gather a walking stick. We might build a camp. If there's anything y'all want to see the axe and this saw to see if they can do it, let me know in this comment or the axe video comment. And when we do the full video, I will put these and that to the test to show you. I'm trying to show budget itunes that aren't in the hundreds of dollars in range. So like, I could take my Gransford axe out to the woods. But not everybody is in a situation where they can get a Gransford axe. Harbor Freight axe is $12, sometimes $10. So this is in that same category to me. This is easy to get. This is the Walmart exclusive, I believe. It might be on Amazon. I just know a lot of their line is a Walmart exclusive. So
if it is available on Amazon, there will be a link in the description box below. But if there's not, then I could post the Walmart link to it.
All right. Thanks for watching.